Well, this was a whole thing to get this set up, but look at me guys, I have a ring light. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you an updated skincare video slash products I'm obsessed with slash how I have managed to get rid of my acne, which I've done some of these videos in the past, so if you've seen those before, you know the drill. Not much changes except what I use and the brands of things, and I find new products that I really love. So with that being said, if you want to hear all of my skincare favorites slash what I found that works for me slash how I've gotten rid of all my acne on my face, which has been a fucking then just keep watching and let's just jump right in. You probably are noticing, Sam, what's up with this lighting? This is like A+ lighting, like yeah, because I actually got a new setup really cheap on Amazon, so shout out to VS Pink Sandy slash I think her name is Let's Get Deals now on Instagram. I will link her Instagram down below. She posts deals and stuff like that and glitches, which you guys know I'm not a big like promoter of that. I don't think it's really good to be like trying to cheat the system all the time. I mean, if that's you, then you do you. But this one time I saw that this setup was very cheap and I got a new tripod for my camera and a new little ring light that I can use for filming, so I'm really excited about it. So shout out to her for that. So that's why this video is looking A+ quality. But that is not what we're here for. We are here for these skincare favorites. And first of all, I have to say, for the record, I am so obsessed because we got a sponsorship, you guys, which not really because I didn't ask for commission because I don't know how to be a sponsor and be a YouTuber, so sorry. But I'm very excited to share that Duvolle partnered with me for this video. They are not paying me. They sent this to me for free for the new Radiance skincare system, which is water resistant, and oh my god, you guys, oh my god, don't come for me, record companies, do not come for me for that. Really have fallen in love with this. They just sent this to me recently and I have been using it every single time I wash my face. No doubt about it. It is so good. Like, I can't get enough of it. Most of you know that I've had my Clarisonic for a few years now. It's a $200 system. It's expensive and it gets the job done. It's kind of hard to clean a little bit, if you catch my drift there. So I have to say, this is definitely become my new favorite. This is what the system looks like. This is just one of the many heads that it comes with. I'm currently using the exfoliating brush because I like a nice exfoliating finish on my face when I'm washing. And it also comes with a few other attachments, which is awesome. I love this little box. I think it's just so cute. But it also comes with a little pumice stone for your feet. So if your feet are feeling like a little which I definitely need to use that because my feet are not looking the best right now and I'm about to go on vacation in like 3 days. And it also comes with this big body brush, which I was just like, girl, that's huge. When I first saw that, I was like, this is gonna be for my face. So I mean, why not? Maybe it could be for my face or anybody's face if you're down with that. So I just think that that's really awesome. It comes with a nice big body one, and it also comes with a softer brush. It also comes with this tiny little soft brush, which is now on the floor. This soft little spin head as well if you're not all about that exfoliating life, or if you have sensitive skin or dry skin and you just do not want to use something really harsh on your face, this is great for that. So I have to say, overall, I am obsessed with the system. I love it so much. I think it's going to be great, especially this pumice stone. I'm definitely diving into this weekend before I go up to Maine because my feet are not looking the best right now and we are looking for a new job, so we're gonna be a little bit broke for a while. This is gonna be great to cut down those pedicures at the salon and everything like that. So if you guys are interested in this system, you can use the code REFINEMENT2019 for 70% off this system, which is so amazing and I think is so definitely worth it, especially if you are a girl that really is interested in getting like a Clarisonic brush or another kind of face brush and they're just really expensive. This is a great deal and a great price and it works really well for my face. One of my favorite cleansers that I'm currently using is the Soap and Glory Vitamin C facial wash, which is for all skin types. I have put this in a favorites a while ago and I am so obsessed with it. I literally have that much left of it before I move on to another cleanser. I do have to say something about using like a brush system on my face with any different kind of cleanser is that it really has helped me get rid of acne. I feel like when I use a lot of salicylic acid products or when I was using my Neutrogena washes, I would still have a lot of acne no matter what I did, and I finally feel like just basic. Like if you are trying to get rid of your acne and salicylic acid acid isn't working, prescriptions aren't working, my best advice is to just use a regular cleanser. Maybe not like this one, because this one kind of has like some beads and stuff going on in there, but something really, really simple, like a simple face cleanser and like one of these face brushes, because it seriously just does the job for me. And then afterwards moisturizing, you're good to go. That is really what's worked the best for me, especially like I said, I have oily, combo, sensitive skin. It's definitely helped me a lot to kill my acne and to make my skin nice and clear most of the time. And I did end up, fun fact, going to work today and came home because I got sick, and I still am kind of sick, so pray for me that I don't get sick on this vacation. But I have to say, even if I didn't wear makeup, I feel like I could just go out in public and not feel like weird about my skin, because I used to feel very like because I have acne and I look weird and like, hi, no makeup. But skincare is the most important thing before makeup, you guys. Okay, so next we're on to masks. Most of you guys know I like to use face masks, the paper masks that I get a lot from Target or Walmart, Ulta, doesn't matter where. I like to stock up on them once in a while when I'm getting low, and I like to use one either once a week or when I'm feeling like it, when I feel like my skin is just looking a little weird. I'm mostly all about like the collagen, the brightening, anything that's gonna help me keep my skin youthful. Even though I am 26, I feel like I need to preserve my skin as much as possible. That's something that my mom's taught me, my grandma taught her. It's just something in our family that, you know, you want to stay young. So definitely anything to keep this young. And I have to say, my mom like looks great for her age. I'm not gonna disclose how old my mom is, but she looks amazing for her age. And I have to say, like, skincare is the #1 thing. Like, oh yes, taking care of your skin is definitely important, as well as drinking water. Drinking water really helps your skin as well. I feel like I'm all over the place in this video, so I apologize because I'm a little distracted by this light. A couple other masks that I've really been enjoying is, of course, the GlamGlow Super Mud. This is the one mask I will always go to no matter what. This is if I do have acne, mostly around, ladies, that time of the month, or in stressful situations, or if I'm not eating as well, that sort of thing. I will pop this on a few of my zits, or I will even put it all over my face just as a mask, and it literally just helps and takes the redness away. It makes the acne like go down a little bit. It doesn't look so crazy, and then they disappear in a couple days, which is amazing. I'm gonna say this wrong. I'm gonna say it wrong. The AHAVA Hydration Cream Mask, which I thought this wasn't what it was. I don't know. At first, when I got this in my FabFitFun box, I believe I was like, oh, a cleanser. And then I actually went through my stuff recently and I was like, oh, this is a cream mask. I have been using this. It's a hydration mask. I know, hydration, oily skin. Horrifying. But something I've learned through skincare is that it doesn't matter if your skin's oily, dry, combo, whatever. Hydration and moisturizing is the most important thing for your skin. And I know it seems like with oily skin, the last fucking thing you want to do is put more fucking oil and shit on your face when you already feel like a grease ball. But it seriously helps so much. I feel like my skin isn't as oily now that I've been using a lot more hydrating products, because I feel like my skin was just expelling a lot more oil when it wasn't hydrated, if that makes sense. So this is the mask that I like to use once in a while or once a week. Anytime that I'm not using a sheet mask on my face or any other types of mask, I will throw this on just to give my skin a little extra burst of hydration that it needs. Now, most of you guys know, I will put a picture right here, I love the Glow Recipe Watermelon line. I think it's amazing. I love the moisturizer. I love the sleeping mask. I've used actually the sleeping mask as a moisturizer. Most of you guys know, if you've watched my other videos, I've talked about that quite a bit. Love those products. And I actually ended up watching a video on their Instagram. And I actually ended up watching a video on their Instagram page like a while ago of how they make the moisturizer and the sleeping mask. And it's literally, I mean, I knew it was real watermelon. Let's be real. I have a watermelon obsession. Like, I was just so blown away with the process of how they actually take the watermelon and all these ingredients and they mix it all together into the moisturizer and sleeping mask. And I'm just like, oh my god, this is a heaven dream come true for me. I genuinely love those products so much. I feel like they've helped my face so much. They really did hydrate and brighten my face, and they smell amazing, which, I mean, you can't go wrong with that. It's summer. It's the season of watermelon, which means it's everywhere, which means I'm losing my mind, as well as Halloween and fall, which will be coming in a few months, and I am so excited for that. Other moisturizers that I've been using by Clinique, which we know. My mom has a thing, my grandma, like, Clinique was the first thing. We know, Sam. Yes. My mom and my grandma were big Clinique fans growing up, and I always remember seeing this giant C on everything, and I was like, what is that? And they had skincare and makeup and perfume and everything. It's just kind of followed on to me. I've always been a big fan of the Dramatically Different Oil Control Gel, which I feel like I don't really need the gel anymore. I was fine with the lotion when I was using it before, but this is the infusion one with the little cartridge that you could buy separately, and I believe that it is the pore minimizing or trying to like reduce your pores. that sort of thing, which I personally don't really notice that much of a difference with that, to be completely honest. But I do genuinely love the lotion and the oil control gel and the hydrating jelly, which is what I'm currently using. It's really, really great for my face, and it really makes me feel hydrated. The only thing I will say is that it does have a little bit of a sticky aftermath to it, so if you're not a big fan of that, I don't recommend, but I think it's really great. And it also has anti-pollution in it, so I'm guessing that it just helps to the pollution. Someone clarify that for me in the comments, please and thank you. So the last couple products I wanted to share with you guys, one is a scrub that I've been using on my face. I will use a scrub pretty much like every Friday, Saturday, every end of the week, every single week for the rest of my life, let's be real, because I tend to wear makeup almost every single day for work. Your face just gets exposed to a lot of stuff during the week and it's just kind of like bleh. So I really feel like a face scrub is the best way to go. This is the L'Oreal Pure Sugar Scrub, and it has little, I'm not just gonna say watermelon seeds, little kiwi seeds in there, and it smells like kiwi. It's not watermelon, but it's the closest thing I got, yo. I feel like it's a very gentle scrub. It's not as harsh as the Kate Somerville one, and it really helps to just get all the gunk off my face at the end of the week. So this is one of my favorites, but not least is another Clinique product. I have been so in love with this eye cream. This is the All About Eyes Rich, which reduces circles and puffs underneath your eyes, which I just think is so great because, as you guys can see, my under eyes, I have darkness under there, but since using this, I feel like it has really helped me out a lot. That's what it looks like on the inside. I feel like I need to spend that little bit extra coin, you know what I mean? What the fuck is it? What the fuck? What the fuck are you? Is it a bee? Oh my god, you guys, it's a fucking bee.